Hi, I'm Brett Lurcher from the ECE 1250 class at the University of Utah, and this is my final project. What it is, it's a soil moisture sensor, so you can be able to tell when your plants need watering and so forth. And so in this video I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough about the basics of how it works and everything. So here we've got the actual sensor. It's basically just two nails hooked up to alligator clips, and got them hooked up to these wires here. And so looking at the circuit here, we've basically got an op amp here, which is kind of controlling whether or not these the red or the green LEDs turn on. The red LED will turn on when the soil is dry, meaning that the resistance in the soil is getting pretty high. And then once you water the plants, or once you put it in soil that's a little moist, the green LED will turn on. So this gray cup, it's dry. It hasn't been, it's been dried out for about a week or so, maybe not that long. And then here in the red cup, this was just watered a couple days ago. So you can tell the soil is still fairly moist, and so the green LED turned on because the soil is conducting electricity a little better. So the circuit works. Basically we've got a 15 volt positive power supply here from the MyDAC along this positive rail. This blue wire is the ground, which we have connected over to the other side as well. And then the green wire is a negative 15 volt power supply, also from the MyDAC. And so the soil sensor works is basically it's a resistor, which in combination with this 1 kilo ohm resistor is acting as a voltage divider. And it's connected to the negative input of the op amp right there. And then on the other input of the op amp, on the positive input, we've got another voltage divider, which is connected right here in this with this blue wire. We've got two 100 kilo ohm resistors in series, and then another 1 kilo ohm resistor right here. And so these two 100 kilo ohm resistors act as sort of the control for at what resistance will the red or the green LED switch. So when the resistance in the soil goes above 200 kilo ohms, the op amp will cause the output to go positive. And so that positive voltage, the way we have these LEDs oriented, they're in parallel but in opposite directions. So current will go through the red LED, and through these current limiting resistors we've got 660 ohms to limit the current through the LEDs. And then when the soil resistance drops, like when it's been watered, then the current or the output of the op amp will go negative, causing current to go through the green LED. And so that's basically how it works. And just to show a little bit in action, we're going to put it back in the green cup, or the gray cup, excuse me, and then we're going to water it. And so other factors that affect the performance also include the compactness of the soil. This is just regular topsoil, and it's not super compact. So anyway, so I'm going to water it, and then the green LED should turn on. And there we go. And so that's about it. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments. Alright, thank you.